Remember that thing I said I was not gonna do? Well, hey everyone, last trip to Walmart, just supposed to be going for groceries. We didn't just get groceries. I said I was gonna wait till after Labor Day to buy fall supplies because I don't want to get our fall decor because we decorate for fall like almost as much as we decorate for Christmas. And I didn't want to get all that out the first couple weeks of school because the storage room is where the kids do school. So I didn't want to get all that out, but I couldn't. There was just some cute stuff and I couldn't wait any longer. So let me turn around and show you that what we picked up from Walmart for our fall decor. I am going to start with these three little adorable guys right here. I absolutely love these. I was actually going to get one for myself to put on my end table right here that I keep on my side of the bed, but we all liked these three. They had a couple more options, but these were our favorite. And the girls couldn't pick one that they really loved other than the three that we had. So I was like, you know what? I will get these three for you and I'll find something else for my end table. It's fine. But these are actually going to go on the girls' dressers. They wanted to be able to add something fall to their room, to be able to look up and wake up and see something fall in their room. I went ahead and got them. But yeah, look how super cute. They loved this one. Had like the little pumpkin on its head and had like the this print on it. They're so cute though. They actually stand really well. I have them tilted back so you could see them better while I was filming. She actually said she loved this one because it looks like a little penguin. So that one was my favorite. This one is my absolute favorite, but they're so cute. I have never seen these at Walmart before. If they've ever carried before, I just have never seen them. But they're harvest garland and they're wooden, like, or at least if they're not real wood, they feel like it. I thought this would be super cute for the fireplace. I don't mind like the fake leaves and stuff that I've used before, but I kind of wanted to change it up. And I think I didn't end up having enough fake leaves for the basket up on the fireplace and the garland above the fireplace. So if you haven't seen before, our fireplace actually doesn't have a mantle. It's just an electric fireplace cutout with a wall. Like there's not even like a fireplace wall, it's just a wall. So we have to be kind of creative when we're decorating with it. So basically anything that we can hang over, and we can't actually use the fireplace. It's mostly just for decorative purposes because it's never been useful. It was one of the weird things about moving in here. But anyways, so we have all this and I'm thinking of using both packs because it's still like a wider fireplace. And I want to be able to have enough for it to like drape and not be super tight across there. And again, like we can't actually use it, it's just for decor. So if it drapes a little bit over, I'm okay with that because we can't use it. I don't know if you can actually tell on camera. So like the shirt I have on is red. That's not red. That is terracotta. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera fine or post edit, you'll see that it looks terracotta. But I was like, you know what? It'd be nice to have just like a, you know, fallish color, just t-shirt to just wear to like casual stuff. And I don't know, I really wanted something casual that was kind of a fall print. So I picked up a terracotta shirt and it's super soft. The No Boundaries ones, like the one I'm wearing right now is a large, but the ones that we purchased this year seem smaller. So I bought an extra large this time. And I found this. This is going on my desk. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. And I don't know if you've caught on from some of the other videos. We've had some major changes in our life over the past year. And not just because of like the big deal in 2020 if you're watching this in the future, but we just did. We had some major changes in life and I thought this was perfect inspiration for on my desk for whenever I'm teaching or working. And yeah, I wanted it for my desk. So like it was something I just felt like I needed as an encouragement for me. So I hope you see why I changed my mind and went ahead and bought fall decor. But that's it for this video. Yes, I will still be doing a Dollar Tree fall haul, but I'm definitely waiting until after Labor Day because the day after Labor Day, while the kids are doing school, I'm gonna be getting the fall decor out. It's just always our thing. What we do is we spend Labor Day as like our last day of summer to spend together as family, and I get the fall decor out the next day because it's my thing. I love decorating for fall. I love it. So look forward to that. I will be doing a Dollar Tree shopping haul for fall and a fall home tour, but that'll be a couple weeks from now. Thank you so much for watching this video for now, and we'll see you next time.